Eyad nebzad ya da halyan kide nenigi da danil tkhod nebzaba da hilya manitle je nitle inda ehol nitle we nitle da hoyan nitle da nebzaba hilya da inda behol khayshi enche hot tha anitha kache yedi che lesson 8 with hegi biti kat daily commands or praises something kashila aro bit bidadil aligi ayati the show baaltha had in di ashala kit kharon lena kitata che aro lev inil thago had in kit nisha baaltha nisha had in nisha baaltha had in aslagon aya bakana zonos ne baaltha kana zanos ne baaltha had in ado it's senta ne baaltha had in tragone baaltha nija be isen ne ado kone baaltha had in nilla be yadilni baaltha nisha baaltha had in nisha baaltha bakha hastaha bakha netta ne baaltha had in nisha baaltha ne izi ne ado baaltha had in nisha sagone nal sos khana ne ado baaltha had in nisha had in baaltha nal sos anle ne ado nast egone nal sos or baaltha had in nisha had in nal sos anle ne baaltha had in baaltha niji anle ne baaltha had in baaltha nal sos yinka ne baaltha had in baaltha naich ne so it actually bedahadil ahlo de isnos ado de yahi khayoshin ha jo ben nada hidden it